Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're embarking on a virtual journey to the Emerald Isle, Ireland. From packing tips and cultural etiquette to hidden gems and local delicacies, I'll equip you with the knowledge to make the most of your Irish escapade. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's get started. When traveling to any new country, it's paramount to approach its customs and traditions with respect and an open mind. Every culture has its unique way of life, and understanding these nuances can enrich your travel experience immensely. Simple gestures go a long way. A friendly greeting, a smile, or even learning a few basic phrases in the local language can make a significant difference. Showing a genuine interest in their culture, whether it's through participating in local festivals, trying traditional foods, or visiting cultural landmarks, demonstrates your respect and curiosity. A willingness to engage in conversation with locals, asking questions, and listening to their stories can create lasting connections and deepen your understanding of their way of life. Remember, you're a guest in their home, and behaving respectfully not only honors their traditions, but also reflects positively on you as a traveler. A little respect can open many doors, leading to warm hospitality, new friendships, and perhaps even a pint or two. Embrace the journey with an open heart and mind. Ireland, my friends, is not a country to be rushed. It's a land of rolling green hills, ancient castles, and vibrant culture that deserves to be experienced at a leisurely pace. It's a place to savor, to wander, to stumble upon hidden gems and lose yourself in the moment. Whether it's a quaint village, a hidden trail, or a local festival, every corner of Ireland has a story to tell. So my advice to you is this: don't overpack your itinerary. Packing light isn't just about your suitcase, it's about your schedule too. Leave room for spontaneity, for those unexpected detours that often lead to the most cherished memories. Sometimes the best experiences come from unplanned moments, like a scenic coastal drive or a detour through a charming village. With a flexible itinerary, you're free to stop, explore, and create your own adventure. You might find yourself enjoying a pint at a local pub or hiking along a rugged coastline, discovering the true essence of Ireland. No trip to Ireland is complete without indulging in its hearty and delicious cuisine. Don't be afraid to venture beyond the tourist traps and seek out local pubs and restaurants. And while you're there, why not wash it all down with a pint of Guinness or a glass of Irish whiskey? Remember, when in Rome, or rather when in Ireland. Ireland's weather, much like its people, can be unpredictable. The key to staying dry and comfortable is to pack for all seasons. Bring along a lightweight raincoat, a waterproof jacket, and some sturdy shoes that can handle a bit of mud. And here's a little insider tip: layers are your best friend. While Ireland's cities offer a vibrant experience, no trip to the Emerald Isle is complete without venturing into its breathtaking countryside. Rent a car and embark on a scenic road trip, stopping at charming villages, ancient castles, and hidden beaches along the way. Trust me, you won't regret it. While popular tourist attractions like the Cliffs of Moher and the Guinness Storehouse are worth a visit, venture off the beaten path to discover hidden gems. These lesser-known places often offer a more authentic and intimate experience, allowing you to connect with the local culture on a deeper level. While English is widely spoken in Ireland, learning a few basic Irish phrases can greatly enhance your travel experience. Start with simple greetings like Dia Duit, hello, and Slan, goodbye. You can also learn how to say thank you, go rive my tagat, and please, le do tuil. Driving in Ireland can be an adventure in itself, especially if you're accustomed to driving on the right-hand side of the road. Remember, in Ireland, we drive on the left. Familiarize yourself with the rules of the road and take some time to get comfortable with the car. The Irish are known for their helpful nature and are always happy to point you in the right direction. No trip to Ireland is complete without experiencing its vibrant pub culture and traditional music scene. Seek out pubs with traditional Irish music sessions, where you can tap your feet to the lively tunes of fiddles, bodhrans, and tin whistles. Don't be shy about joining in on the singing or even trying your hand at some Irish dancing. It's all part of the fun. One of the most endearing qualities of the Irish people is their warm hospitality and willingness to help. Whether you need directions, restaurant suggestions, or tips on the best places to experience traditional Irish music, the locals are a wealth of knowledge and are always happy to share their insights. Well, folks, it seems our virtual journey through the Emerald Isle has come to an end. We've explored the lush green landscapes, the charming villages, and the vibrant cities that make Ireland so unique. From the cliffs of Moher to the bustling streets of Dublin, every moment has been a treasure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Your support helps me bring more exciting adventures and hidden gems from around the world right to your screen. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, may the road rise to meet you, may the wind be always at your back, and may the sun shine warm upon your face. Slan go foil. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and I can't wait to share the next journey with you. Safe travels, everyone.